Okay guys, so using the same program which we used in the previous video, on the subtraction program, we just all we need to change is this part of the code. You just delete this one and put a subtraction sign, and you're good to go. But now we want to do it, we just need to rewrite it in case if you didn't watch the previous video. So now let me just put our basic code here, include a history using namespace std, okay, int main, okay, then we say return 0. Okay, so we have to initialize x, y, and our result will be z, just like that. Now let's just print something which is totally unique, different from the other video guide. So a subtraction subtraction. Okay, I don't know if I'm wrong with the spelling, but I hope you get it. Subtraction, yeah, program, just like that. Then we put next line, or let's just put the one which we are used to, end line, in small letters. Mind you, C++ is case sensitive, so you make sure you have to use the lower cases most of the time, always. Okay, now we want to say enter first number, just like that. Then we put our cin. The user will enter a value and it will be stored in the variable x. Now we ask the user for another number, enter, okay, second number, and the program is going to store that number in the variable y. So just like this, cin y. Then now it's going to print the result. Okay, now we have got to say cout. Okay, subtraction or addition. Okay, let me just write the result. The result is, yeah, just like that. Then we are going to put this one. This is totally different from the other video which we did. This is another way which you can write the code. It's just the same. If you have any question, please just send a message or just comment in the description below and I'll help you. I'm available, mostly available on WhatsApp. Now cout, enter the result. Okay, the result is it should produce value of z. But since we did not tell the compiler, the program, that okay, our C++ program, that z should be a subtraction of a, okay, a subtraction of b from a, just like that. So we're going to say z is equals a minus b minus the value of b, just like that. Then it's going to print it out to the screen. So let's just do it the normal way. Go on save file, then click save. Then we have to write our file name, subtraction program, just like that. Then you click where it says save. Now with this save, we have to compile and run the program. Remember, compile and run. On Windows, just press F11. Okay, there's an error here. What's the error? Okay, A was not declared in the scope, like it was not declared in our program. We used X and Y, so it's a common error which we should just deal with. Okay, now we just run the program. I hope there are no more errors. Okay, running. Now it's on the screen. Subtraction program. Enter first number. So I'm going to enter 50. Then we will enter second number. We want to subtract okay, 6 from 50. And our answer, as you can see, is 44. There you go. There is your simple subtraction program using C++. I hope this one was beneficial and useful to you. So I hope you have a good day. Cheers.